Hi everyone, this is me Srinivas, an artist. After a long time, I'm into the tutorial video. So that today video is about types of shading. Okay, there are three common shading technique which we usually do in pencil art. First one is cross hatching, and second one way shading. Third one, shading and rubbing. Okay. First, let's see about cross hatching technique. For this technique, my first choice is mechanical clutch pencil and paper with smooth surface, because mechanical clutch pencil will give solid and crisp line uniformly. Two or more intact lines in different direction makes hatching technique. While making line, we should maintain the lines distance evenly and uniformly, then only the shading final result will be good to see. For extra dark, use more line in different direction. Okay, now let's speed up the drawing because it takes long time. Okay. Move on to the one-way shading. For this technique, you can choose smooth or rough surface as a support. Let's use HB grade pencil for this technique. In this technique, to develop the tones, use the lines closely to avoid the white space. And wrist and elbow is the pivot point for the making shading in this technique, because the hand should travel along with the pencil wherever you move upon. We can develop the dark and medium tone by over shading on the middle tone in the same angle, and choose of different texture sheet will give the impact on the shading. Sometime if you use the sheet with more grains, I like textured one, I mean the rough sheet, because when you are shading on the rough paper or the with the more grain sheets, the shading will apply only on the indented area. The dented area will remain white spots. The time we should be very careful in shading. Okay, let me speed up the drawing because it takes time. Okay. So see here, I use the pencil in the same angle for the entire shading, for even dark area and for the light area. So this gives a uniform lines, and also it gives a smooth surface, right? And I maintain the lines next to next without a white space. Understand? So follow this. Okay, thank you. Now let's move on to the third part, shading and rubbing. either cross hatching or the one way shading. We are going to smudge the pencil lines to bring the smooth surface. We better use the HB or 4B pencil for the smooth shading. Also, when you're shading, you have to maintain diagonally to avoid the white space and also to bring the shading very smoothly. I simply start the shading slowly to build up the medium tone. Now you can use the paper stick for smudging the pencil strokes. You can smudge hardly to spread the pencil shading on the entire shading area. Finger is also one of the main smudging tool for the pencil shading, and also we can use, sometimes we will have to be keep on smudging the shading area to get smoother. Now filling up the inner part slowly. Now you can use the eraser for the highlights. I hope that this video is very useful for the beginners to understand about the shading techniques and the types of techniques that we commonly use. If you like my art video, please click the like button and send your feedback through the comment box. And if you are a new viewers, please subscribe into my channel. Thanks for watching.